Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to change the new YouTube layout to the old one. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Google Web Store and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to open Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, click on Extensions. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube Redux and press Enter. Look for the first extension in the search results, which is named YouTube Redux, and click on it to open its details page. On the YouTube Redux extension page, click on the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension to proceed. Once the extension is installed, you will see a confirmation message. Now, go to YouTube. You should now see the old YouTube layout instead of the new one. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.